Hey everyone! It's Sunday! And you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review. Yung pagbabalik ng ating mga bold review ngayong linggo. Kasi today is the premiere of Secret Campus sa Viva Max. At dahil nga secret, binabalik natin ang ating tagline, Secret Sundays. The last time we did Secret Sundays was Secret sa Panimpo. So now only appropriate na ibabalik natin ang Secret Sundays. Ayun. So this is a 4-episode Viva Max Anthology series. 4 nga ba? I could have sworn it's 5. Let me just check. Yeah, it's 4 episodes. And yung mga nag-i-star dito ay sina Angelica Hart, Angela Morena, Atasca, and Azzy Acosta. And to my surprise, I would have thought Azzy was the first person to be here, but instead we got Angelica Hart. Yung Angelica Hart, she's the one who did our greeting, yung nag-shoutout sa akin. And yeah, I did not put that here in this video. Yung special intro dito is Bray Wyatt. God rest his soul, everyone. Yeah. So, rest in peace, Bray Wyatt. Ayun. So, proceed na tayo sa recap ng episode 1, Clea. Yung titular character ng Secret Campus episode 1. Ayun, Clea. Hindi yung sa Doctor Strange, ha. Yung Clea dun yung, I think she is played by yung actress ni Cypher sa Fast and Furious. If you watch yung post-credit scene ng Multiverse of Madness, doon si Clea. Siya yung umakay kay Doctor Strange sa isang interdimensional travel. Pero, enough about that. Let's proceed with the bold review to all of my virgins and simps. Ito ang episode 1, Secret Campus. So, Clea, she's a student. And itong estudyante na to is infamously using the pseudonym the Girl in Uniform. So, she is Girl in Uniform in what we call altar. Parang Easter egg rin siya kasi the last time na ginamit yung altar as a Pinay hook-up site and body, parang pagpapakita ng katawan, is on Kitty K7. If you go back to the Kitty K7 movie, meron dong app kung tawagin ay Alter Pinay. And today, it is called Alter. So, yan, Easter egg lang siguro. Hindi naman siguro magkadikit yung yung dalawa na yun. Though I'll be fine if there is a Viva Max Cinematic Universe. Ayun. So, yeah. So, siya si Girl in Uniform sa Alter. And she's using like the same mask. So, let me give a background. May mask kasi ng recurring team na ginagamit ng mga babae ng mga cam girls. So, ginamit ata siya ni escort wife, I think yun din yung mask. Although mas purple yung mask ni Ren Escano sa Secret sa Panimpo. And then kay Super Pechay ba? Ay, hindi. Parang kay Malazoro yung maskara ni Super Pechay ni Ian Dorano eh. Who else? Ayun, kay Christine Vermas sa Scorpio Knights 3. Yun din. Parang same yung mask na ginamit ni Clea dito. Ewan ko, parang nire-recycle yung maskara na yun eh. So, Clea is in a relationship with a man played by Melo Don't Miss. Anong pangalan ni Melo Won't Miss? Si Ariel Carmelo. Ayun. So siya yung boyfriend nun, and then they have rough intercourse at the beginning of this episode. So parang pagpapakilala kay Clea. We're getting to know phase. We also meet Clea's partner in crime, or parang partner dun sa altar, si Nicolette. Ayun. Which encouraged Clea to do this job. Kasi nga, she's a student at kailangan niya matustusan yung pag-aaral niya. So, may mga client siya na siniserve. I think those client is si Single Daddy saka si Happy Boy. Ayun. So, yeah, we got some montages of Clea's activity. And even though cam girl siya, syempre hindi niya televised, hindi niya binibideo yung sarili niyang gawa, yung sarili niyang pagtatalik sa kanyang mga kliyente. Pero itong gawain niya is got some interest with two school bullies or jocks. Si Migo saka si ang pangalan ng isa? Migo saka si Jeric, played by Jaggy Lejano and RJ De Vera. Ayun. So yung dalawa na to, they had a session with the girl in uniform in one night, and they deduce that the girl in uniform sa altar ay si Clea, and they bribed Clea into doing so. So Clea found out the next day kasi yung code name na inassign nila is assignment. So this is where this man, I think this man is Migo. I don't know, Migo or Jeric. Siya yung umaya kay Clea sa isang safe house kasama yung kanyang partner, si Jeric. Ayun. And then they proceed to molest Clea in that area. And then they televise. Heavily edited yung video, yung scandal, and Clea got tranquilized during the scene. So inedit na parang covered yung mukha ni Migo sa ni Jeric, and it to seem na mas na-enjoy ni Clea yung panggagahasa sa kanya imbes na kaawaan. And all of this worked into the favor of the boys. The boys got Clea suspended in school. Meron pa nga dito yung yung kumpronta sa kanya, parang mataba, pas he claims he's a virgin and he wants to have sex with Clea. Clea to which Violent responded because syempre nasuspindi ka sa eskwela tapos ikaw pa naman And also Ariel broke up with Clea. Clea's life is now ruined dahil lang sa dahil sa pambabastos nitong nung dalawang lalaki na yun, si Jeric sa si Migo. So how would Clea deal with this? Would she move on with her life, live a new life? No. Actually, Clea has devised something. Knowing that her life is ruined, she presumes she has no more hope. So ang ginawa niya, she did a Google search, and I assume it was looking for a hard gun or something. And dito sa hard gun na to, she was lended a handgun. And yung as girl in uniform, she posted on altar, watch my next live stream. So we go to the night of Clea's latest live stream. Live si Clea, face reveal as girl in uniform, and then she sexualized the pistol. It's a sex pistol, di ba? And dinidilaan niya, nilagay niya sa kanyang puday. It's typical stuff. But alam niyo na yung patutunguhan nito, she shot herself while attempting a BJ dun sa pistol. She shot herself committing, alam niyo na, ayoko ma-demonetize sa YouTube, kaya alam niyo na, she took her own life, okay? Ayun. While bumalik si Ariel, tried to reconcile it. Nakita niya ata kasi live stream, so she rushed to the house, but he heard the gunshot, and all hope is failed. Nanonood rin si Jeric sa Migo. So, yung parang sinabi ni Clea sa live stream while she's doing this is, hanggang sa kamatayan niya, alaala niyo si Jeric sa Migo yung nanggahasa sa akin. And Jeric and Migo, two bully jocks, don't mind. Kasi, they're smoking weed. And then, when Clea took her own life, they were shocked. They were really shocked. And some hitman took them out. And the episode just ends with Clea dead and yung mga lessons sa kanya patay. So, what do I think about this episode? Well, the ending is very sudden. I never thought of the ending very so sudden. Also, there is some angle na akala ko si Angelica Hart, si Andrea Garcia, parang pag gumilid yung camera, akala ko si Andrea Garcia, pero si Angelica Hart pala. It's a minor nitpick. Yeah, it's one of those Viva Max things, na ikaw yung biktima pero ikaw pa rin yung hindi ka kakawaan. Ikaw yung ginahasa. Parang sa ano, alam mo yung Do You Think I'm Sexy? That was a film last year starring Chloe Jenna. Same premise rin. Ang ano doon ang ano naman doon, ang cam girl naman doon si Chloe Barreto. So Chloe Barreto. Tama, si Chloe Barreto. And ayun, she got ginahasa siya ng kanyang prop, pero lahat kumampi sa prop. Dito naman lahat kumampi dun sa hindi nila kinampihan yun ng gahasa sa kanya. Kinampihan, hindi lang talaga pumabor sa kanya. Parang ganoon yung dating. Yeah. It's a Tardal trope. It's something na Viva Max has explored time and time again. Yeah, no, wala naman nothing special naman. Like, nothing special in this episode. It's just that yung ending talaga na grabe na shock ako. I was covering my eyes. Hindi ako sanay sa mga ganun eh. Yung papatayin mo yung sarili mo through a gunshot to your head. Yeah, I was really expecting a lot of gore, to be honest, pero buti naman nag-cut away yung camera. A few good men style. Yeah. So yeah, that's my review and recap of Clea. Secret Campus episode 1. Tune in next week for episode 2. I think they're doing next. I don't know who they're doing next. Walang announcement. Yeah. So, ano pa ba? This Friday, Call Me Alma. So, review Asia Acosta starring in Asia Acosta starring in Call Me Alma. And this is your boy, the God Gamer Harriet. Goodbye and good night. Bang. Run.